If you wonder if Redmi A5 does have FM radio, let me quickly show you. As we go into the app drawer, right here we can find this FM radio application right here, and as we go in there, as you can see there we have the radio basically, but we cannot turn it on because we need to plug headphones to use it as antenna. So at the downside, at the bottom of the phone right here, we can find this jack port, which we can use to plug headphones into. So the moment we plug the headphones in our phone, we will be able, the radio will turn on automatically. So as we plug it, as you can see, it is now turned on. Now from here we can toggle if you want to listen to the radio with the speaker or with the headphones. And here there are a couple of different options, like we can record some stations, we can add some stations to favorites. Here we can find these favorites radio stations, as you can see, and there we can turn it on or off with this switch, and right here we can change stations with this next or previous buttons. So this basically means that the Redmi A5 does indeed have FM radio, and as you can see, that's how you can use it.